दोस्तों, ये है डिस्प्ले डिवाइसेस जो कि डिप्लोमा 5th सेमेस्टर का है। टॉपिक हमारा आता है, इंट्रोडक्शन से शुरू होता है। अ डिस्प्ले डिवाइस इज़ एन आउटपुट डिवाइस फॉर प्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन इन विजुअल फॉर्म। फॉर एग्जांपल, टेलीविज़न, कंप्यूटर, मॉनिटर, CRO, LED डिस्प्ले, LCD, OLED डिस्प्ले, प्लाज्मा, एक्सेट्रा। सो फ्रेंड्स, अब ध्यान दीजिए कि डिस्प्ले डिवाइसेस क्या होता है। डिस्प्ले डिवाइसेस एक आउटपुट डिवाइस होता है जो कि किसी भी इंफॉर्मेशन को एक विजुअल फॉर्म में प्रेजेंट करता है। वो किस फॉर्म में कर सकता है? टेलीविज़न में, कंप्यूटर में, मॉनिटर में। सो दीज आर द एग्जांपल्स ऑफ डिस्प्ले डिवाइसेस। नाउ क्लासिफिकेशंस। एनालॉग डिस्प्ले डिवाइसेस, oscilloscope and TV CRT. These are the analog display devices. Now move to digital display devices. The first one is LED, OLED, vacuum fluorescent and so on. Now there are some more display devices, that is e-paper, and their types are segment display, LED, LCD and so on. So now let's move to another topic, that is full area two-dimensional display. Let me focus. Now friends, let's move to the second topic, that is full area 2D dimensional. So there are also a two-dimensional display, that is CRT, LED, electronic paper, LCD, plasma display panel. So these are the second dimensional display. And there are also three-dimensional display, that is laser, holographic, varifocal mirror display, light field display. Now we discuss about general purpose CRT. So this is a block diagram of CRT. This is a CRT tube, and this is the input signal, vertical amplifier, delay line, electron gun, trigger circuit, vertical deflection plate, timer based generator, horizontal deflection. So the working is that when we supply input signal, then the vertical amplifier amplifies the signals, then it passes through delay line and then falls to CRT tube. So when the electron gun passes through this deflection plate, that is vertical deflection plate and horizontal deflection plate, then this electron beams just strikes on the screen of CRT and produces a fluorescent spots on the screen. So this is the working of a basic CRO. So now let's move to कैथोड रे ट्यूब, दैट इज़ CRT. CRT क्या है? ये एक CRO के अंदर का ट्यूब है जिसको एक ग्लास एनवेलप, दैट इज़ CRO से घेरा रहता है. सो नाउ वी विल जस्ट रीड हियर. अ CRT इज़ अ लार्ज हैवी फ्रेगाइल ग्लास एनवेलप. द इंटरनल प्रेशर इज अप्रॉक्स 0.1 Pascal. The refresh rate of CRT is 16 cycles per second. The basic operation of CRT involve modulates accelerator of deflect electron beam with the help of deflection system to create image on screen due to its phosphorus. So, as earlier I explained about the working of CRO is same as like CRT. This is the base, cathode, grid, that is a control grid, focusing anode, accelerating anode. From here to here it is electron gun. This is the deflection plate, this is the beam, and here is the horizontal deflection plate. So now